Hi, greetings everyone. My name is Mr. Afadil. I am the acting English course coordinator. So let's go through the English courses briefing for the 2026-2027 session. So here I will explain the course structure, the Malaysian University English test, and thirdly the instructors of this course, and lastly the ITAL enrollment. So please pay attention. Throughout the one-year program, you will need to enroll to UB0013 Academic English for Writing and Speaking and UB0023 Academic English for Reading and Listening. And this is an elective course. Your grade will contribute to your CGPA. So for semester 1, you will be taking UB0013 Academic English for Writing and Speaking. It's going to take 18 weeks to cover the whole semester from June 2026 to January 2027, and for semester 2 it will be from January 2027 until May 2027, 18 weeks as well. And somewhere in between, it could be in March, April or May 2027, you will be taking the Malaysian English University test. Okay, for UB0013 there will be 5 assessments. The first one will be the oral tenses presentation and essay draft, and after that you will be taking the writing assessment, and the last 2 assessments will be individual speaking assessment and group speaking assessment. So you can see that for oral tenses presentation it will be 10%, essay draft 15%, writing assessment 25%, individual speaking assessment 25%, and group speaking assessment 25%. There will be no midterms and final exams. It will only involve continuous assessments. You just need to ace all this to get good grades. In semester 2, you will be taking UB0023. There will be 5 assessments as well. Reading assessment 1, 10%. Reading assessment 2, 10%. Reading assessment 3, 30%. Listening assessment 1, 25%. And listening assessment 2, 25%. Again, no midterm and no final exam. You just have to do your best in all the continuous assessments to get good grades. Alright, right now we'll explain a little bit about MUET, Malaysian University English Test. All of you guys will be taking the Malaysian University English Test. It is a prerequisite requirement, or in other words, it's compulsory for admission for all public universities in Malaysia. You will have to pay 150 ringgit, and remember, no MUET, no degree. To put it simply, the difference between CGPA and MUET, alright, the UB0013 and UB0023 will only contribute to your CGPA, and you will get your Asasi certificate. But for MUET, you will need that certificate as a factor, as a component when you want to apply for degree. Okay, about MUET, there are 2 things that I want to highlight here: the MUET Session 1 2027 registration and MUET Accelerate workshop. For the MUET Session 1 2027 registration, please stay tuned for the registration announcement. The registration process will probably take place between December 2026 and January 2027. So please pay attention to all the announcements given in the Telegram channel. You might be asking yourself, is MUET really important? Yes, it is very, very important. It is not like the English paper that you took during SPM, no. Because the scoring is different. You either get Band 1 or Band 2, Band 3, Band 4, Band 5 or Band 5 plus. Band 5 plus being the highest. It means that you are very good at English. It's really, really important because you will need this certificate to get your desired course. To register for Doctor of Medicine program in FPSK, you need to score Band 3 and above, and to enter FKJ, you need to score Band 2 and above, and so on. So you need to score well so that you will stand out more. Okay, get better band so that you will be seen and recognized by the faculty. other than taking up the UB0013 and UB0023 classes, we will also organize a workshop, the MUET Accelerate workshop. This is where we will invite experienced MUET examiners to share tips on how to get better bands in your MUET. You are highly encouraged to participate. Now I will introduce you guys to the instructors. Let's meet the dream team. Okay, we have Madam Quincy Donny, Mr. Muhammad Rafli Abdul Rasid, Madam Izian Ahani Ismail, Ms. Nur Anliza Abdul Latif, Madam Natika Azira binti Uto Johan, Ms. Uswatun Nur Rahman Nur Hasana, and lastly myself, Mr. Muhammad Afadil Izmi bin Roslan. Now, please pay attention to the ITEL enrollment briefing. As we all know, ITEL is the platform where you guys can access your teaching and learning materials, videos, slides, notes, etc. So to all students of Asasi Science, Asasi Technology Maklumat, Asasi Agri Science and Asasi Science Social, please register for UB 0013 Academic English for writing and speaking on ITEL. Okay, UB 0013. And to those who are watching, especially the students, please scan the QR code on your screen right now to access the official English subject department Telegram channel. This is where you guys will get quick access to announcements. So please scan the QR code and access the Telegram channel. Just for your information, we are also on Instagram, Ing with Alms. So look it up if you want to give us a follow. And sometimes we do podcast. You guys may want to go to YouTube and look for podcast Talks and Roars Alms. Alright everyone, that's a wrap. Thank you so much for your attention. Can't wait to see you guys in class. Alright everyone, bye bye.